just finished installing the valves for the wall faucets. Let's start from the beginning. Let me show you. Unfortunately on my wall, I don't have the depth to use 2x4s for my backing for the valves, so I'm going to be using plywood instead. I'm going to test fit and then pocket hole screw. So before I actually screw this in, I need to mount this wall to these studs because I've been waiting for this stage. I need to pull the water lines forward. Let's continue. This is the shark bite removal tool. I'm going to use it to get those shark bite caps off. Okay, I know, a lot of you are not going to be happy that I'm using shark bite fittings, but honestly, I trust them. I've used them before. I've sweated copper and it's a lot more work. I think if you install these correctly, it shouldn't be a problem. I'm always thinking about order of operations. Before I screw this support in, I need to bring my water lines forward so they're out of the way first. The thing I love about PEX is not only are they easy to install, but they're easy to manipulate and run where you want them. I have the cold side installed, which is always on the right side. I need to do the hot now. Sometimes when I'm finished with a stage of a project, I sit there and look at it for a second. Like right now I'm making sure that I got cold on the right, hot on the left. It looks good. Next step, I need to secure this wall here, the little mini wall. I never secured it with screws. I'm going to do that next before I put the plywood in. Wall is secured. Next step is installing my plywood backing, pocket hole screws. So we plan to make our vanity 36 inches and the wall faucets 5 inches above that, but I need to account for the floor thickness. 7/8 of an inch. These wall faucets are made super well, but the unfortunate thing about them is they don't come with PEX adapters. I need to install an NPT to PEX adapter before I can mount them on the wall. Okay, everything's hooked up now. I'm gonna double check all my crimps. I'm not gonna attach it to the feed line yet because I still have the tub filler and the shower valve to do. So we're gonna continue next time.